If your Redmi phone is locked, whether you forgot the PIN, the fingerprint failed, or a system crash caused the lock, it can be stressful. In this video, I'll show you 5 safe and responsible ways to unlock your Redmi and regain access. How to unlock Redmi phone without prerequisites using Android Lock Wiper. Step 1. Begin the procedure by downloading and installing the product on your PC. Choose Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Please note that this app may lead to data loss on your Redmi during the unlocking process. Number 1. How to unlock Redmi phone without requirements via Android Lock Wiper. Requirements: USB cable and a working PC, stable internet, phone battery at least 30-50, physical access to the device, optional recent backup, as some methods may erase data. Step 2. Connect your Redmi to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect the information about your device. Verify the displayed details are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the information before continuing by clicking Start to unlock. Step 3. The application will download and transfer the required data package to your Redmi. Following this, please follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Step 4. The unlocking process will commence. It is essential to keep your Redmi connected throughout this operation. Once completed, you will successfully remove the passcode from your device. Number 2. How to unlock a Redmi phone without a PIN via Mi account. Enter the wrong PIN or pattern several times until the Forgot Password or Unlock with Mi account option appears. Tap it. Sign in with the Mi account linked to the phone, and after verification you can reset or remove the lock. Number 3. How to unlock a locked Redmi phone with Mi PC Suite. Install Mi PC Suite. Boot Redmi into Recovery Volume Up plus Power and connect to PC. In Mi PC Suite, click Update Wipe, select ROM and tap Update. After restart, sign in with Mi or Google account. Number 4. How to bypass screen lock on Redmi with emergency call. On the locked Redmi, open the emergency dialer, enter 10 asterisks, and copy-paste repeatedly. Swipe to camera, pull down notifications, tap settings, and paste until the system crashes to the home screen. Number 5. How to unlock a Redmi phone without losing data by contacting Xiaomi. Gather phone model, IMEI, and Mi account details. Contact support via the Mi Support app or official website. Verify you are the phone's legitimate owner. Follow the specific unlock instructions provided.